Now question corresponding, determine the phase sequence of the set of voltages. Set of voltage, this one and this one, means if you represent phasor that is 200 at the angle plus 10 degree written as, and VBN it is also 200 at the angle minus 230 volt, and VCN is written as 200 at the angle plus 110 degree. Clear? So first of all make it. If in any doubt, then make it. Okay. Now what about AN? AN represent like this one, that is AN plus 10. Okay. AN this equal to 200 at the angle plus 10 degree. What about BN? BN minus 230. Now you know that is minus 110, 120, and this one is minus 120. What about this one? That is minus 240. So our motto, determine 200, draw the phasor corresponding to this one, like this one. Okay. This one angle is minus 230. So VBN is written as 200 at the angle minus 230 volt. Okay. And what about VCN? Minus 110. It means it represent here like this one. This angle is minus 110, that is VCN, and that is 200 minus. Okay. So clear? Angle between A and B, this is minus 120, and this one is also minus 120, and this one is also plus 120. Clear? If any doubt, check it. Okay. How to check phase sequence? Moving on clockwise direction. First A, after that C, after that B. So what about phase sequence? Phase sequence, that is A, C, B. Clear? Make it. According to question, what is the phase sequence of set of voltage? That is phase sequence is, that is ACB. Clear? Why ACB? Make it. BN is written as 110 at the angle plus 30 degree. Clear? Okay. And make BN represent like this one, that is VN this equal to 110 at the angle plus 30 degree. Clear? If this one is a positive sequence, it is positive plus 30. If this is positive sequence, means B lag A by how much angle? 120, and C lag by B by how much angle? 120. So what about this one? Is my first of all written like this one, and this is, and this one is plus 120. Clear? Now first of all make C lag B by how much angle? 120. So minus 120, that is VCN like this one. Clear? Now what about VCN? That is 110 at the angle 120, angle between this reference, that is reference, the reference between reference and VCN angle is 120 minus 30, that is 90, minus 90 degree. Clear? Minus 90. So if you want make actual representation, VCN of it is represent like this one. Okay. That is minus 90 degree. That is VCN. This one also 30. Okay. Now what about VAN? V of AN. AN lead BN by how much angle? 90 degree. So that is V of AN 110 at the angle 30 plus 120, that is 150. Clear? It means AN is and CN is, clear? Make it. This phase sequence, that is ABC, make it.